Due to the recent allegations about $265 million bribery case, it was mainly due to the Adani Green Energy, and because of this, other Adani stocks are getting impacted. Currently, Adani Power is down by 48%. Now the question is the V-shaped recovery possible, just like when the stock recovered after 1 year post Hindenburg allegations? Hello everyone, my name is Sanket and welcome to today's video. So we are going to discuss about the allegations on Adani Group and its negative impact on the Adani stock. So the majority of the Adani stock haven't recovered from the Hindenburg Group. Then here comes the new allegation on 21st November 2024 about the Adani Group's involvement in the $265 million bribery case.
Case has been filed against Gautam Adani. He is the chairman of the group. He has been charged with bribery and fraud.
And due to this, most of the Adani stock crashed up to 22% in a single day. How this news is going to impact the Adani stocks in the long term, so let's check it out. Back in September 2022, Gautam Adani became third richest person in the world with a total net worth of around $137.4 billion. But as per the recent data in November 2024, Gautam Adani is now worth $70 billion and stands at 21st spot. So from the third richest person to the 21st richest person, what exactly happened in the past 2 years is mainly due to the two major series of allegations. Coming to the first allegation, on 24 January 2023, Hindenburg Research published a report on how the world's third richest man is pulling the largest con in the corporate history and accused the Adani Group of engaging in the extensive accounting fraud, stock price manipulations and exploiting tax havens. And due to these allegations, Adani stocks were down by 77% within 1 month only. Some of the flagship companies of Adani Group such as Adani Enterprises was down by 76%, Adani Power was down by 51%, Adani Port was down by 48% and Adani Green Energy was down by 77%. And due to this panic selling, investors lose about 7 lakh crore since first Hindenburg report published in January 2023. So this was the major impact to the investors due to the first allegation itself. But the story does not end here. Recently on 21st November 2024, there is a second allegation by US Securities and Exchange Commission that Gautam Adani and his nephew Sagar Adani, who is the director of Adani Green Energy, they were involved in the $265 million bribes, and these bribes were given to the Indian government officials in order to win the solar energy contracts. And from this contract, Adani Group is about to earn $2 billion of profit, means approximately 16,000 crores of profit over the next 20 years. And due to the recent news, most of the Adani stock were down by 20% in a single day only. This was second most fall in the Adani stocks after Hindenburg report in January 2023. So there are a total of 10 listed companies under Adani Group, which are as follows. Now let's check out the stock performance before Hindenburg report and after the Hindenburg report published. Adani Total Gas is down by 85% in last 2 years. Adani Energy Solutions is down by 74% in last 2 years. Same thing happened with the following stocks as well, such as Adani Wilmar, Adani Green Energy, Adani Enterprises, HCC and Ambuja Cement. And out of 10 companies, these 8 companies have not crossed 2 years of all-time high price since the Hindenburg group. Only 2 Adani stocks have performed well in the last 2 years, which are Adani Port and Adani Power. Adani Port is up by 41%. And Adani Power is up by 69%. Then how come only these 2 stocks perform well in the last 2 years? So for this, I will take example of Adani Power. Let's check out the chart pattern. Before Hindenburg report, Adani Port made an all-time high of 450 levels, and after the Hindenburg report, stock crashed by 70% to a level of 130. Within 1.5 years, soon after that, stock made a V-shaped recovery and gave around 588% returns, and stock made an all-time high of 895 level. And now after the US bribery claim, stock price is down by 48% to a level of 460. Due to the recent allegations about $265 million bribery case, it was mainly due to the Adani Green Energy, and because of this, other Adani stocks are getting impacted. Currently, Adani Power is down by 48%. Now the question is the V-shaped recovery possible, just like when the stock recovered after 1 year post Hindenburg allegations? Let's check it out. There are 3 major reasons when a stock makes a correction. First one is the fundamental, second one is the valuation, and third is the sentiment. In case of Adani Power and Adani Port, this recent fall is due to the negative sentiments and not due to the fundamentals of these 2 companies. In case of Adani Power, there are 3 major positive factors. Point number 1. Currently, Adani Power is undervalued stock as the industry PE is 34 and the stock is trading at a PE of 13.6. Point number 2. Adani Power is consistently increasing its year-on-year net profit, and if we check the financials in the last 5 years, then we can see that 5-year revenue growth is 90%, 5-year net profit growth is 1015%, which means profit grew by 10 times in last 5 years. Point number 3. Within last 1 year, promoters of Adani Power have increased their stake by 4.94%. with the total promoter holding of 74.96%. Adani Power is the fundamentally strong company, but due to the recent news, stock is falling. But when things will settle down, then the downward trend is likely to change. Then V-shaped recovery might be a possibility. If you are looking to invest in Adani Power, then think only about the long-term perspective, because in short term, this stock may fall again. Well, this is not any buy or sell recommendation, so please do your research before investing. We could see similar chart pattern in the Adani Port as well. Now, the stock is down by 30% from its all-time high level. Adani Port is also a fundamentally strong company, and this might show a V-shaped recovery, but how long will it take? Nobody is sure about that. Most of the Adani stocks are overvalued as they are trading at a higher valuation. So, before making any decision, first check the fundamentals of the company and then only invest in the Adani stocks. So that's it for today's video. Please do like and subscribe button, and thank you for watching the video. Till then, keep learning and keep investing.